What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be talking about NIO. Thank you guys so much. Though before I start this video, I'd like to say thank you so much for the support. Glad to see you guys missed me. Once again, I'm going to be posting actually probably a couple more videos today besides NIO, because I got a few comments saying wishing that I post more videos, maybe 2 a day like I used to. And guys, I promise I will try to make that happen. NIO is going to be one of those videos as always. I'm gonna probably switch it with Tesla, and there was another one that I was thinking of, but Tesla is gonna be the second one. If you have any other recommendations that you want to see a regular video on, that would be my normal rotation. Please let me know. But other than that, let's get right into this NIO video and let's take a look on what happened today. Now, yesterday I was telling you guys you need to watch this next support line. So right here, where my mouse is, this was a support before, so we gapped up, came back down, and then pushed up. Right over here, came down, that long candle wick right here, pushed up. Yesterday came down, pushed up. Today we fell through, pushed up, touched it from the other side, and then came back down. So this lets me know that in fact this was an area that we charted out that's actually correct, okay? Because we got confirmation 3 times now. On the first 2 times, it was on the upside. On this time, the third time, it was from the underneath side. So that means that currently right now, NIO is not doing so hot. So we know when we get rejected from the bottom side, it's bearish. When we bounce up from the top side, that's bullish because we're getting the bounce. But we're getting the rejection right now, and NIO has been falling harshly. Now, the market overall, crazy down the market. If you were watching the market all day, I know I was, but we were pushing up, came back down, pushing up, we recovered, push up, came back down. So the market today was really crazy, guys. We were up though. We were up, not as much as what we were, open in other parts of the day, but we were up today. And the market, to be honest, this needs to hold. The reason I say this is because if this does not hold, this was just a dead cat bounce or a bear flag playing out, we're coming lower. So you definitely want this level to hold. Now, when I speak about Tesla, though, this is probably what dragged down NIO today. So typically, this was a shock for me to see. Typically, guys, if you've been watching, you know that Tesla moves with the general market. When the Nasdaq's up or the S&P 500's up, Tesla typically moves with it. Today, I don't know if this was because of the Bitcoin thing coming out yesterday. For all those that you don't know, Elon came out saying that Tesla will be suspending Bitcoin payments right now, mainly because of so much energy that they consume through fossil fuels, coal, this and that, and it doesn't reflect the business model of Tesla, which is true. Now, if they're doing it for that reason, I don't know. But they also said they're not selling any Bitcoin. That was the key part. They're not selling any Bitcoin, but I guess people didn't even like that. They're not accepting Bitcoin. But as you can see, we had that reaction. So will this stick? Honestly, I don't know. But what we're working with is that we did sell off, and that was kind of like, think of Tesla as the earthquake and NIO is the aftershocks, right? You have the main earthquake, and then it ripples out. You feel the aftershocks, minutes later. NIO is the aftershocks, basically. Whatever happens to Tesla, NIO normally follows suit. And unfortunately, that's what happened today. With regards to my main focus tomorrow, we are starting to unfortunately bleed off, and it's bad. It really is, guys. But I would like to remind you, just in beginning of February, we were up here. We were up here at $64, and now we've fallen down. So with regards to NIO, if you're longer term, I would still not worry. I like this company as a whole. I like what they're doing, especially with China. There's only XP and Li Auto. I mean, Tesla is a factor there, but people like to buy cars from their country. They like to support their country, and I do think people from China would rather support NIO than Tesla in there, right? So I definitely do like NIO with regards to longer term. I think they're going to do well in China, continue to do well. They've already shown that, and when they expand their market. But right now, my main focus going into tomorrow would be this area right here, which we failed to stay above, which is 31.82. So if we're going to get some type of bounce, we need to get above that. Tomorrow is Friday, so we are finishing the week off. Keep that in mind. We are finishing the week off, so we definitely need to see some type of push up. It is a Friday, though, so don't expect much. But what I'm looking at is just a whole push up above that 31.82. Get above that, then maybe we can have some action going into Monday and the rest of the week next week. But other than that, guys, market conditions have been bad, so take that into consideration as well. Not doing too hot, but NIO is suffering as well as Tesla. So hopefully you guys are staying out there safe and that it's not bothering you guys too much. But just don't panic too much, guys. That's what my advice is to you. And I'm still here. Don't worry. I'll be making videos for you guys. So be on the lookout for other videos that are coming out today. Hopefully you do enjoy them. And I'll see you guys in the next one.